Now, let's jump right into our video titled 10 Quick and Healthy Breakfast Recipes for Busy Mornings. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and starting your morning with a nutritious meal sets the tone for the rest of the day. So, let's make sure we kick things off right. One of the biggest challenges many of us face is finding the time to make a healthy breakfast when our mornings are jam-packed with to-dos. It's easy to grab something quick but not always the healthiest option. But don't worry, we've got your back with these 10 recipes that are not only good for you but also super easy to whip up even on the busiest of mornings. Let's start exploring these 10 quick and easy breakfast recipes. From overnight oats to smoothie bowls and avocado toast, we've got a variety of options that cater to different tastes and dietary preferences. Each recipe comes with step-by-step instructions, emphasizing simplicity and the nutritional value they bring to your day. These recipes are designed to make your mornings a breeze while keeping you fueled and energized. Now, here comes the exciting part, the climax. We're highlighting one or two of the most unique and delicious recipes that are real game changers for busy mornings. Imagine waking up to a breakfast that not only tastes amazing but also sets you up for a successful day ahead. These recipes are a must-try. In conclusion, let's recap the 10 breakfast recipes we've shared today. Remember, incorporating these into your daily routine can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. Eating a nutritious breakfast can boost your metabolism, improve your concentration, and even help with weight management. So, why not give these recipes a shot? And now, it's your turn. Try out these recipes, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more quick and healthy recipe ideas in our future videos. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to see you whip up these delicious breakfast options. Thanks for watching, and we'll